Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to receive money on PayPal from Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Simply, all we need to do is to set up our payments gateway or our payments method in our Shopify store. To do so, you will need to go to the admin panel. So we need just to go to this side menu, search for settings icon or settings button, click on it, then it will redirect us to this menu. From here, we need just to search for payments. By clicking on payments, we will find our payments gateways or the payments method. From here, we will find as payments method PayPal, or you can add any other payments method that you would like, for example, for MasterCard or any other method. So for our PayPal, we will need just to activate our PayPal account and basically activate PayPal and then click on activate and then you will need to connect with your PayPal account and after that you will need just to connect both the accounts. So we will wait for the gateway or the platform to load and from here you will need to add your region or your email. You click on next until you finish the process and then you will have your payments that will be your PayPal account that has been successfully connected to your Shopify store and then make sure you have the payments capture method. Either would it be automatically at checkout or until the order is fulfilled, and by that you will be able to start receiving payments from PayPal directly to PayPal from your Shopify store. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.